Okay guys, I wasn't going to upload this video this morning because it's so dumb and so simple and so lazy. This is the laziest cardboard project I've done so far. I needed a waste container for my shop and the balcony. I didn't have one. So I have a cardboard box. I just put little PVC pieces on the bottom so it keeps off the floor because the floor gets wet when it rains. But the cool thing is I put little PVC on the side so it holds on to the bag, so the bag doesn't slide down inside. And of course, when the bag's full, there's room enough inside to have more bags, so you don't have to go looking for them somewhere. But it's just a cardboard box. People are unsubscribing right now. Okay, but I think it's kind of cool because it's something I was going to throw away, and I needed a waste container for the balcony because I was just using plastic bags looped onto my vise, and you can't get much more lazy than that. This is the second most lazy, I guess, but it's a 5-minute project, and it's very functional, and it's perfect for what I need on the balcony. And I'll be doing a video of this next. Costs $40. You can get 1,000 razor blades for for $40. All right, guys. Hope you're having a happy holiday and happy New Year. See you out there.